Representatives from local media groups appeared in Adams County Court this morning to ask Judge Robert Adrian to unseal motions in the murder case against Timothy Bliefnick. Adrian approved a petition to intervene from WGEM News, the Herald Whig, and Muddy River News. That gives the company standing to make the request. Adams County Assistant State's Attorney Josh Jones and Bliefnick's attorney Casey Schnock objected to lifting Adrian's blanket ruling that sealed motions and closed hearings. The judge set a hearing date on the matter for May 3rd. That means a motion hearing set for tomorrow morning will remain closed on a motion-by-motion basis. Bliefnick has pleaded not guilty in connection with the February 23rd shooting death of his estranged wife, Rebecca Bliefnick.